In this video, I'm going to talk about CIS30A Lab 2, Exercise 14. This is a program about diet plan. A client loses 10 pounds the first month, 12 pounds the second month, 8 pounds the third month, and 5 pounds the fourth month. Write a program that uses a for loop to find the total weight that the client loses over 4 months. Provide the screen capture of script and output. So we are required to write the for loop, and this is a simple program. So to start, what we need to do is we need to have a container, which is a list that's going to store the user weight loss. We can have it as a tuple, but for simplicity, I just wanted to use the weight loss as a list. And then we would initialize the total as 0, the total. So here I use total underscore L, and I initialize it as 0. Then for my for loop, I have for I in weight loss, for I as an element in weight loss, I would store the total we would increase it. So we would take 10 plus 12 plus 8 plus 5. Yes, you can do it as a sum, but we wanted to iterate through using the for loop. Now, when we print, we would have the total weight loss for the 4 months using the for loop. Another way that you can address this is you can use the range method and the length method in a for loop. So we can say for j in the range length of weight loss, we would print weight loss and then j plus 1. That will be the number, the month, individual month, and then the weight loss from the list, and then lastly the sum of the weight loss. So the first part of this, it simply gives us this first line, total weight loss for 4 months is 35 pounds. Now for the second part, when we're using range here, we had it print additional. We had it first print each month weight loss. So the month 1 we have 10, month 2, that's why we do a j plus 1 because the index is 1 less, so you got to do a plus 1. So the month 1 is 10 pounds, so we print out each of the weight loss for each month, and then we have a total. So by the end, we still achieve the same thing, getting the same total weight loss by using just the for loop, or we can use the range with the length. So when you use range, you gotta make sure that you specify to the end of that list using length, the entire length of that list. And we can simply print both or print one, which is going to be the sum. That's what it's called for. So this concludes my demonstration for Lab 2 Exercise 14 in CIS30A.